themes of my childhood emerged amid ever-present references to World War III, the atom bomb, the communist threat, and the Domino Theory, intersected by the emergence of suburbia, the space race, and promises of endless progress in a fantastic technological future in which I would be visiting other worlds. In school and at home, we practiced for nuclear attack and watched people, monsters, and cartoon animals killing each other on TV. It seemed natural, the way things were. I was learning, in a way, to learn violence as the language of the world, as a kind of entertainment. At the center of this work, I have undertaken a search for my childhood TV memories, a kind of archeology of those images and sounds which I remember, or see now, as having been formative in my personal understanding of what was, quote, going on in the world. I decided to create an interactive artwork with these images and sounds, one that provides a means for others to search this image repertoire, to reflect on this period of American culture, a time when this new medium, television, was first used to promote values, interpretations of history, beliefs, and ideas that have had profound and often terrible effects.